adapter, you want to unravel these. So you want to connect this inside of the power outlet right here, and you want to plug this in because this is what's going to give you power for the LED lights. Then you're going to grab this adapter and you're going to want to plug this power outlet in and make sure your other plug is connected. So just plug this in and you can start to set them up. For the control, you want to remove this plastic tab that comes underneath it so the battery can have power. Then you want to grab one of the rolls of the LED strips and connect it to this adapter, and you want to connect it to these right here. Connect both of them. So once you connect them, you can go ahead and start placing it up on your room. I just finished setting up my LED lights. I'm going to show you guys.